Western Union offers two primary methods for receiving money: cash pickup and bank deposit. Let's explore how each one works. Cash pickup allows recipients to collect funds at a Western Union agent location, like a bank or retail store, without needing a bank account. This method is ideal for individuals without bank access, particularly in rural or unbanked areas. All you need is a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and the money transfer control number provided by the sender. Bank deposit directly credits the funds to the recipient's bank account, eliminating the need for cash handling. The sender needs the recipient's full name, account number, and routing number. This method requires the recipient to have an active bank account. Bank deposits typically have lower fees than cash pickup, but require the recipient to have an active bank account. The speed of transfer varies. Cash pickups are available within minutes to hours, while bank deposits can take minutes for domestic transfers to 1 to 3 business days for international ones. To receive money via cash pickup, start by locating a participating Western Union agent using the website or mobile app. Agents include banks, convenience stores, and retailers. Next, bring a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a passport or driver's license, along with the money transfer control number that the sender provided. At the agent location, the representative will verify your ID and the MTCN. You'll then receive the funds, subject to local limits typically ranging from $1,000 to $10,000 USD per transaction. No bank account is needed for cash pickup. For bank deposit, make sure the sender has your accurate banking details: full name, account number, routing number for U.S. transfers, and bank name. Once the sender initiates the transfer, funds are deposited directly into your bank account. This typically takes minutes for domestic transfers or 1 to 3 business days for international ones. Account ownership verification is required. You can track the transfer status using the Western Union app or website with the MTCN. The company is emphasizing digital solutions, with mobile app usage accounting for 45% of transactions in 2025. Remember to check for applicable fees, which can range from 5 to 15% of the transfer amount. Bank deposits typically have lower fees than cash pickup. Always verify all details before proceeding with any transaction.